So today I'm going to go over a quick video over standard deviation because I got a couple DMs to go over it. So for the fib settings, you want -1, -1.5, -2, -2.5, and then -4. That's all you need. And so what you can expect from these levels is from -1 to -1.5. You can sort of expect some kind of like accumulation, maybe a small retracement before continuing higher. And then from the -2 to -2.5, you can expect either a accumulation and retracement or just a full reversal. But if it's just a retracement and it doesn't reverse, then you can expect price to go to -4, and that's where the reversal and that's where the terminus is. Now this is kind of, if like you see a lot of people top ticking or bottom ticking the market, it could definitely be from standard deviation, because you'll see price likes to reverse at the -2 to -2.5 or -4 levels a lot. And if you want to, so how to fib it, so you either fib it from this leg to this leg. So this is A, B, C, D. This is your breaker, okay? This creates your market structure shift, right? And I'm not going to tell you what leg you should fib it from. It kind of depends on certain criteria that I teach in my Discord, not over free YouTube, but you can also just backtest that and see which leg lines up better with liquidity. But either way, once you fib the level, okay, you wait until price gets into -1 to -1.5, and usually this is kind of your like a silver bullet zone where price will like accumulate, tap a fair value gap before expanding higher, and then once it gets into the -2 to -2.5, if you get some type of reversal signature with the S&T and then CSD, you can expect a reversal. Or if it shows no signs of reversal and it goes up to -4, then you look for the same thing, S&T, CSD confirms reversal. Okay, so just a couple of chart examples. I don't want to go too in depth, but so I've been this level, okay, and right now we got up into the -2 zone, and what do? We start accumulating and retracing a little bit. So now, I mean, if we got this S&T, you might think it's reversal. I don't know if there's an S&T here, but so another example is from this leg. What do you see from this -1 to -1.5? Accumulation, right, into all these fair value gaps, right, before finally going to this -2 to -2.5, completing this market maker model, swing point, right? Okay, and then ultimately going up to -4 before giving a small retracement lower into a gap, right? Same thing here. We get some accumulation at this 1 to 1.5, right? Before we go up into the -2 to 2.5 before we get a retracement. So that's kind of just a simple video over standard deviation. If you want me to go more advanced, then feel free to join the Discord. Thank you.